In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the latch rod retainer on your Dodge Ram. It's located right here at the bottom of your grille support. Go ahead and open up this green clip here. We're just going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. Pop that over and go ahead and move the rod. I'm going to go ahead and work our rod down and out of the hood. Now on the top side of this rod retainer is going to be two little clips. We're just going to pinch those and work that side out and get the other side, and we're going to pop this out. And go ahead and remove this off of the rod. You're going to feed the rod up through our retainer here, and we're going to feed this up through the hood bracket. Press our rod retainer into place. Push this up through, and let's go up top. Then take the rod end here, feed it into the back side of the green locking clip. Push that in, snap that over, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.